In today's video, I'll teach you how to change currency in Amazon. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now right over here, you can see dollar is selected as currency for me. So if you want to change the currency, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply hover over this option that you can see on the screen. Now right over here, you might be able to find the option for changing the currency. If you find that option, click on it. Otherwise, what you have to do is click on this option, change country or region. If changing the currency is not available for you, what you can do is simply change the country or region and the currency will be selected according to the country that you change to. So what you have to do is click on the country that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right now, United States is selected. That means US dollars is selected as the currency. So what you have to do is simply click on the country of your choice. Now after you do that, click on this option, go to website that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new interface. Now in this interface, you can see over here all the prices are being displayed in the currency of India. So like this, you'll be able to change the currency according to the country. So that is how you change currency on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.